Simulate first, then act Future 3D GIS, the real scene simulation and situational mapping platform for emergency response. From a bird's-eye view of space, the camera slowly descends through the atmosphere and clouds. We pinpoint 3 critical locations, all constructed with high-precision drone, oblique photogrammetry models, Singapore Flyer, the site of a sudden emergency incident, Bay Medical Clinic, the frontline node for medical rescue, and Marina Bay Fire Station, the command and rescue hub coordinating traffic, police, and fire services. The system delivers full visual control, glow, fog, volumetric light, color filters, and more. Using the height difference measurement tool, we measure the height of Marina Bay Sands drone model. Switching to helicopter view, with line-of-sight analysis, the system calculates visibility for every window and balcony, green for visible, red for blind spots. This provides precise visual support for sniper positioning and urban assault in counter-terrorism. Light wave plotting, draw adjustable waves, 3-ring and single-ring modes. Dynamic spotlight follows mouse, dimming to 30%. Click to highlight targets. Future 3D GIS down scenes of measurement tools and simulation effects for counter-terrorism, emergency command, and target protection. 24-hour lighting simulation from dawn to midday, from dusk to starlight, light angle, color, temperature, and intensity change in real time. Switch to snow simulation. Adjust minimum height, initial coverage, maximum height, and final coverage to create layered snow from base to peak. Simulating high-altitude environments and blizzard conditions. Now, dynamic precipitation, from drizzle to downpour, from ripples to splashes. All parameters adjustable. Changes in visibility and water reflections. Create an immersive weather environment with down scenes of adjustable parameters. Sunlight, snow, and rain can be precisely controlled, delivering realistic battlefield environments for military operations and all scenario simulation for emergency response. When an incident occurs, how can rescue forces arrive quickly? Future 3D GIS offline navigation system provides the answer. Supporting real-time online API access, users enter any start and destination buildings, intersections, or poise or select points on the map. The system supports highway priority, normal routes, and intelligent avoidance of bridges and tunnels. Advanced algorithms generate one main route and two alternates, displaying road names, length, and time on the sand table. A graphical dashboard shows road class, average speed, and environment info. Users can draw polygon avoidance zones. The system instantly recalculates paths for road closures. The system also features simulation navigation, a 3D realistic drive along the planned route, previewing intersections and landmarks. Future 3D GIS integrated offline and online. Intelligent navigation, saving golden time for emergency response. The built-in emergency equipment management system covers personnel, equipment, departments, and users' full digital support from commanders to rescue teams. Future 3D GIS, full dynamic vehicle simulation, renders real-time parameters like longitude, latitude, attitude, and speed, integrated with global visual effects for realistic lighting. Washington SDQE controls acceleration, steering, and climbing. Switch between first, third, and free perspectives. A virtual dashboard displays speed, heading, altitude, and more. Combat simulation with gravity and air resistance, physics, provides an immersive platform for military and civilian vehicle simulation. Dynamic video and 3D scene fusion system places cameras on the map. Drag to adjust position auto-generates 3D view cones showing coverage, supports camera grouping and management. One-click fusion, enter RTSP address or upload video system. Auto-aligns video to 3D terrain, handling building occlusion. Smart calibration, auto-recommends initial parameters, full control over you, pitch, roll, field of view, and lens attitude. Real-time preview, with sliders save templates for batch use. Using Future 3D GIS unique situational plotting and timeline-based simulation capabilities, emergency response procedures can be pre-scheduled step by step in the 3D scene from incident location, resource dispatch, to rescue execution. Each step can be pre-plotted and dynamically simulated, creating a visualized emergency plan. The following is a typical pre-scripted scenario. Smart AI cameras lock onto the incident instantly, triggering emergency alert and response. At Singapore Flyer, a motorcycle and a sports car collide suddenly. The vehicles burst into flames. Roadside AI cameras detect the accident in real time, automatically sending precise location alerts to fire, police, and medical services achieving second-to-level incident notification upon receiving the alert. Emergency vehicles use the intelligent traffic system to plan optimal routes with green wave signals. Arriving within 5 minutes, rescue teams quickly extinguish the fire. On site, medics provide first aid, while police clear roads for ambulance priority. Patients are pre-connected to hospitals with real-time vital signs transmitted. Achieving the closed-loop boarding means admission care. From AI-powered sensing to multi-agency response to closed-loop care, Future 3D GIS builds in intelligent command platform covering all scenarios and all elements. Future 3D GIS simulate first, then act. Be prepared for every emergency.